Okay, so I'm trying to decide. So I know I want to go ahead and make my testers. I'm probably, honestly, I don't know if it's a waste, but I think I'm gonna test all of my fragrances, or at least go ahead and make the candles since I have to wait at least a week or so. And I'm thinking about honestly cleaning out my wax melter. I don't know though because I still don't know how it's gonna perform. So I don't want to put wax in there, and then one, I can't keep up with, how much inventory I have. That's my thing with those with melters. You don't know how much inventory you have left. You just have to estimate and just go by what you made. But other than that, seeing the type of inventory you don't know what's in there. It is gonna take a little time to clean, which is why I haven't done it yet. But since I'm gonna go ahead and batch make candles, I'm thinking about putting it in there. I don't know though. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna clean this, to be honest. I got a few ideas, but I know it's gonna be messy. And you know what I just thought about? I don't even have any jars cleaned, but I think one. So I gotta go clean jars. And let me show y'all this, because this thing be smoking. I think I'm just gonna heat gun it right now, because I don't like that and I don't want my thing to go off.
drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Tonight is on a island. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We have it, that's on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We have it, that's on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Here go my version.
I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right.
Let's listen to what he's singing about.
Yeah, you know me, they call me Jimmy. I'm here to run your city. All the nerds and the jocks with me. About 30 bands in my pants, what's happening? Yeah, you know me, they call me Jimmy. I'm here to run your city. All the nerds and the jocks with me. About 30 bands in my pants, what's happening?
I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right. I'll be right. I really don't like. I'll be right.
Copyright strike.